Okay guys, you're here because you want to learn how to make money online, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I believe is exactly step by step everything what is necessary to make sure you build a sustainable online business and make money online in 2019, 20 and on for maybe a decade or more. Because what I'm going to show you today is reality. I'm not going to try to sell you, join under my affiliate link and I'm gonna give you $10,000 of free content that's gonna make you super rich. It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna show you step by step what is necessary to make money online sustainably, that what you need to actually brand yourself, to create something real that's gonna last. And before we go to the content, all I want you to, if you like it, if you like my videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell, hit the like, comment below. If you don't, smash that dislike, comment below, let me know what's wrong with me. That's all I want. Besides that, I hope you watch this video till the end because I'll provide the real thing here. So yeah, here we go guys. We are in the video. As we said earlier, today I'm going to talk about how to get started online, how to make money online in 2019, and what I believe is the best method to get started, because initially you don't have to have big investments. It consumes a lot of time and a lot of commitment, and consistency in these projects will be the main thing you will have to maintain. And I split it into 5 steps. As you can see, I quickly set it up what was on my mind, and it's like find a niche, research and find a good offers, create a content plan, start building assets, and content creation. And now there is a 6th step that comes after all of these are successfully achieved, and that 6th one replace the number 2, find research and find good offers. Because honestly guys, as you build your niche sites, and as you build your assets, and as you build your reputation over the period of 120 days, I believe that's more than enough, you're gonna become good enough, and you will get yourself in touch with a lot of things in your niche, in niche you've picked, that you'll be able to create your own content and you maybe better offer, because you'll know what your audience actually wants. So first one is find a niche, and that one is, I want to demystify it. Everyone thinks I should find a niche that is easiest to make money, and if your goal is only to make money, guys, maybe that's the better option for you. But I would recommend you to go, first thing first, there are millions of options, and even you should think deeper, and you should even think of sub niches. So when I say sub niches, let's say programming or web development, and then you can go into programming, and then you can go into PHP or JavaScript or something like that. Or if you go web development, you can go WordPress, for example. That's a sub niche, or just Wix or something like that. Maybe those are not. WordPress would be a good one. That's actually what I'm gonna do. Anyway, second step in find a niche. Second step is to find something you're passionate, or something you're interested in, or simply something you're good with. So if you have experience, or you're good with, like for example, or you're good in meditation, let's say meditation, and you know a lot about it, and you can merge it with something like yoga or something, and now you start wrapping content around it. You know what I mean? Start creating about it. If you're passionate about it, it will be easy for you to be unique and create a content. And it'll be easier for you to run that. Then third thing in a find a niche is you don't have to be an expert. You will grow with your project. What I mean is, as you create a content, you will learn more, and you will become familiar with more topics, and just communicate with your crowd. As you're getting your subscribers and followers, keep engaged with them. Start that communication, help them, see what are their problems, and grow with them. Grow with your project. Fourth is find biggest desires and needs in your niche and provide a solution. So how are you gonna do that? You're gonna go to YouTube, you're gonna search similar niches, you're gonna see the questions what people are asking in YouTube. You're gonna go to Quora, you're gonna go to Yahoo Answers and search what is problem in that niche. What are people trying to figure out in that niche particularly? Once you do that, once you find a niche you wanna do, you're on a good to go. Then you have to research, and you have to find good offers. So how are you gonna research where you can find the good offers? You're gonna apply for affiliate networks like ClickBank if you wanna sell like digital goods, max bounty if you're gonna go for services, that sort of sites, or directly, you can go directly for their affiliate programs, and you can go share a sale. That's a great site. That's a great site to do if you're gonna do with digital products as well, and services. And basically, you apply for these three. That'll be more than enough at the beginning. Then find affiliate offers that works for others, competition. So research again. Go to Pinterest. That's a great research tool. Go to Google it, and go to YouTube and find what offers are offering your competition. And then next step is check user reviews to verify that affiliate offer you're going to promote is good. So just go check through the reviews. If review is like 2.2 stars on Google reviews or something, on for example some app or some, don't promote it. Don't lose your reputation. Maybe you have to promote. Maybe it used to be bad before and now it's good. So you need to do that research. You need to be sure that whatever you are offering is solid. It doesn't have to be perfect product. It's no such a thing as perfect product. There'll be always someone who is not happy with it. But keep in mind that it has to be a good offer. And then before you promote it, just purchase it yourself. So make sure to purchase it, review it, be sure that it's actually good. So that's how you're gonna choose and find a good offer. Third on the list is create a content plan. Now when I say content plan, is your project has to have a head and a tail. And basically you again research your competition and what sort of content they're creating. See if they're creating a YouTube videos. See if they have a structure. They don't have a structure. If they don't have a structure, even better, you create a structure. You say, okay, in the first week or on a Monday I'm gonna write about this, and on a Tuesday I'm gonna record this video, on a Wednesday I'm gonna talk about the second subject, on a Thursday I'm gonna write or I'm gonna create a fourth video, and stuff like that. So the thing is to create a content structure so you know what you're doing, so you can stick to the plan. Then last thing is to design a promotion plan. So what you're gonna do, where you're gonna promote your things. This is in correlation with the next step. Start building your assets, because when you build your assets, then through your assets you're gonna promote your content. But build a promotion plan. See what are working for others. For some niches Instagram works better, for some other niches Pinterest works better, for third niches Google is the best. Look guys, you have to research and see what's best in your niche. And honestly, if you pick your niche, if you know, and if you get stuck on this step, just drop a comment below and comment now what's your niche, what you think you should go with. Just let's engage. I'll do my best to help you with advices that I know that work. There is a lot of things I don't know, but there's also a lot of things that I've experienced, tried, that worked, that didn't work. So I can tell you, maybe, look guys, I don't know what works, but I know that these three things doesn't work in that niche, stuff like that. So feel free to ask a question below. I'll do my best to help you with my honest answers. So fourth step, start building your assets. That's the most important one, because that's what's the structure. That's what gives you a structure. That's what makes this make money online method the best. Because we're building a brand. We're not building a, get quick rich scheme where we're gonna scam 100 people with a clickbait title like get paid daily by Google Maps, which actually doesn't work, and people click, and then you have like thousands of people watching your video and you're making $500 or I don't know, $1,000 a week from YouTube ads, and woo, you money making expert. I don't want to say anything like against anyone, but there is so much misleading information, clickbait and stuff. So this is not what we're gonna do. That's why we're gonna focus on building something that has a value. So basically you have to find a good domain name and hosting. Then you have to create a website around your topic, create a good landing pages. When I said landing pages, those are not the same pages, because look, we're gonna try. You wanna build your projects the way that there will be pages that you're gonna rank for Google. There'll be pages that you wanna actually send a paid traffic on. There'll be pages you wanna do it properly. Do it once, do it right. That's the whole thing that I'm teaching here. Next thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start building our email list. So basically what you have to do exit pop-ups. You have to do, before they go to the offer, grab their email, so you can retarget them with the YouTube ads, with the Google ads. You can retarget them on social media, on Facebook. You have to install, like when you're building those assets, you have to install your pixels and stuff like that, tag manager. There's so many things that has to be accomplished, but you don't have to do it all at the beginning. It's step-by-step procedure that you build, little by little, every day. In around 120 days, you should reach above $100 a day. If you're not reaching $100 a day and you commit 120 days into project, I'm telling you, you're doing something terribly wrong, or you're following someone's really bad tutorial. So in 120 days, if you're doing everything correct, you should be reaching $250 a day. And that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. And I'm actually starting a journey that will be next video, and I'm gonna announce it. Then I start a journey where I'm gonna build everything from scratch. It will include a couple of stream incomes where I'm gonna set as a goal $250 a day in 120 days. Your main asset should be email list, because we're gonna talk about it in the future videos, but remember that email lists are very valuable. People are not actually aware. That's maybe the most important thing to make money online, is legit email lists. Anyway, next thing is YouTube channel. You have to create your YouTube channel. You have to create your social media accounts. You have to register for Reddit and be active in your niche. Those are things that are gonna drive you real traffic. And you know, we're wrapping up a content around the problem. We finding the desires and needs of our potential customers, and then we find a solution and we provide a solution for them. Whether it's free solution where we're getting commission, or it's paid solution, we need to provide a solution. It can be services, it can be tutorials, it can be like cheat sheets and stuff, like, you know, you'll see. We're gonna touch this much in depth in future. And last thing is content creation. Basically, why content creation? Content, get prepared for this. You have to create unique content. You have to optimize blog posts for SEO and for Pinterest. Pinterest is really driving, for me, one of the best traffic sources for sales, for affiliate marketing. And then also you have to optimize your YouTube videos and promote on social media, on other social media accounts. And basically, as you get all this running, it should take you around 120 days to get all this like wrapped up. So it looks like solid. It looks like a, you know, this guy knows what he's doing. Because remember, if you spend 120 days completing service, you're gonna be expert in service. Trust me. If you spend 120 days on trying 3 different diets, you're gonna get ripped. If you commit 100% and you don't, man, if you prove, oh, I can get ripped, other people gonna follow you. They wanna get lean. They're gonna lose their weight. That's the whole key here. Commitment, consistency, content creation, creating an asset, creating a showcase. Look, this is how I made, for example, money with this, or this is how I lost weight, or this is how I meditate, or this works for me, this didn't work. All that matters. Create a content, do content research. That's why I say, I know that a lot of people think it's much easier. It's not easy, it's not super difficult, but if you commit, I'm 100% sure that anyone can succeed. And once you have all this, you're already gonna have, in 120 days, you should already have around 10,000 followers in all other social media accounts. You should have like a couple of hundreds of thousands views on your YouTube, you know, wrapping up, making around 150 to 200 bucks a day. And now we're talking about like, you know, serious income that you can quit your 9 to 5 and focus and create a better solution for your customers, expand into sub niches, or maybe expand into some other niches that are very related to your content that you can plan, and it becomes your personal brand. That's why at the beginning I said it's most important to find a niche that you're passionate about, because if you quit your full-time job, you build a sustainable income here. Now this is a main income. You don't have a second one anymore, and this becomes like a main thing. And if you don't like your main thing, then you're screwed. Okay guys, I think this is enough for this video. It took me a little bit longer than I thought. I also didn't mention a few things that I wanted in this video. Anyway, there'll be a lot of time. I'll try to post every day, even though I'm not sure if I'll manage. Besides that, all I want is to wish you luck. you know, make sure you don't fall for scam. There's a lot of scam on YouTube at the moment, especially at the moment. It's really disgusting to see how many people are trying to, you know, sell you things and they themselves don't know what they're doing. Yes, if you like my videos, smash the like, comment on this video. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. If you don't like my content, make sure you dislike this video, and also again comment below, because I always want to hear both sides. I want to know what's wrong. I want to know how can I improve my videos. And you know, that's pretty much it. I hope I'll see you again, and have a good day. Don't fall for scam. Good luck.